morning, students. Are you fine? All of you see the before video. In our before class, we will discuss the factors influencing the climate in our fourth lesson. Okay. In this class, we will discuss the temperature zones. Temperature zones are heat zones. This topic is discussed today class. What is that? The temperature zones are heat zones. Okay. Influencing factors. All of you remember? Good. Those are factors are influencing using this before lesson also. Okay. These temperature zones are heat zones. These temperature zones are heat zones are divided into three types. Depending upon the sunlight receives sunlight receives their place. A place receives sunlight. Okay, those are the depending upon the sunlight received. Okay, we can divide it into three parts. Okay, then first one is torrid zone. The second one is the temperate zone. The third one is frigid zone. Okay, the torrid zone. In this zone, the sun shines directly overhead on the equator. 0 degrees equator. The sun shines directly on the equator. Okay, and towards north, 23rd degrees northern hemisphere. Okay, and 23rd degrees southern hemisphere. Between these two, and the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Between these two places and besides of both sides of the equator is called torrid zone. Okay, torrid zone. In this equator region, the sun rays are directly on the equator. They're so hot. Those places are so hot. These zones are called hot zones. Another name is torrid zones are called also hot zones. These are called hot zones. These are lies down between the 23rd and of degrees northern hemisphere and 23rd degrees southern hemisphere. Between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, between these places is called heat zones. Heat zones are hot zones. Torrid zone is hot zone. Okay, these two places. The sun rays are directly on those are very stronger on this place, directly overhead on these places. Okay, there is no throughout the year. These are the summer. Okay, throughout the year, daylight is there. Okay, in this torrid zone, these are throughout the year. There is a very heavy sunlight is there. For the hot places, hot winds. Okay, heavy rainfalls is there. Okay, heavy rainfalls. Then we go for the temperate zone. Okay, temperate zone. Temperate zone lies down between the Arctic Cancer, Tropic of Cancer and 66.5 degrees Antarctic Circle. Okay, Antarctic Circle. And these are dividing into two parts. Okay, these are divided into two parts. Okay, the one part is between the 66 and names as Antarctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer. Okay, another part is Tropic of Capricorn, between the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Okay, these are the Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, and Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer. Between these place is called and another part is between the Antarctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn. These two parts of the zones, two parts of the places called temperate zone. Temperate zone. These two parts in these zones, the sun shines slanting. In these two zones, these places receive sunlight and slanting rays of the sun. Slanting rays of the sun. Okay. కొంచెం ఏట వాళ్ళు కాబట్టి టోరిడ్ జోన్స్ లో డైరెక్ట్ రేస్ ఉంటాయి. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసప్పటికి మనకి టెంపరేట్ జోన్ వచ్చేటప్పటికి అంటే another slanting rays receive చేస్తాం. సో because of these receives these places slanting rays, the climate is neither too hot nor too cool. ఎలా చల్ల మరీ వేడిగా అనిపించదు, మరి చల్లగా మోడరేట్ జోన్ అని కూడా దీని అంటారు. సో మోడరేట్ గా క్లైమేట్ ఉంటుంది ఇన్ దిస్ టెంపరేట్ జోన్ లో. దిస్ టెంపరేట్ జోన్ ద క్లైమేట్ ఇస్ మోడరేట్ జోన్ ఆల్సో. మోడరేట్ గా ఉంటుంది మనకి. మోడరేట్ క్లైమేట్ ఇస్ దేర్. ఓకే, నైదర్ టూ హాట్ నాట్ టూ cold. When we compare to the torrid zone, when we compare to the hot zone, this climate is suitable for human beings. This climate is suitable for all. There are summer days are in the summer season days are long. In the winter season nights are long. Okay, మనకి అంతే కదా. సమ్మర్ డేస్ లో డే టైం చాలా సేపు ఉన్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది. ఇన్ వింటర్ సీజన్ లో నైట్ టైం చాలా సేపు ఉన్నట్టు మనకు అనిపిస్తుంటుంది. ఇన్ దిస్ టెంపరేట్ జోన్ మోడరేట్ క్లైమేట్ ఇస్ దేర్ because of the sun rays are slanting sun rays. We receive this zone receives sun rays, slanting sun rays. Okay, by that reason in the climate of temperate zone or moderate zones, climate is suitable. In the summer days daytime is long daytime is long, and the winter nights are long. In winter season nights are longer. Okay, this is the temperate zone. And the third one is the frigid zone. And before after that, except to this frigid zone near the poles. This is the south pole and the north pole. It is lies down the poles. Okay, near the poles. The place frigid zone is near the poles. The sun slanting rays, very slanting rays compared to the before two zones, torrid zones and temperate zones. We compare to the temperate zones. These frigid zone sun rays are very slanting. Okay, very slanting. They spread out over area. They are weaker. Those places are less sunrises receive. Less slanting rays are sun rays are there. So these places are very cool. Okay, near the south pole. These places 66.5 degrees tropic of 66.5 degrees Arctic Circle towards to the north. This is the one of the zone, and this is the place. This is the south pole place. Okay, Antarctica Circle, near the Antarctica Circle to south pole. Antarctica Circle to south pole and Arctic Circle to north pole. These two places are frigid zones. Throughout the year covered with snow. There is no difference between the summer and winter. In those places, near the south pole and north pole, and there is no difference between the summer and winter. Always throughout the year covered with snow. This climate is very cool climate. Okay, this climate is very cool. Okay, this is about the frigid zone. It is extended 66.5 degrees south circle నుంచి 90 degrees south pole వరకు మనకి ఎక్స్టెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ టూ పార్ట్స్ నార్త్ సేమ్ ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైం నార్త్ pole. Okay, then in this through and the three temperature zones. Torrid zone is also called hot zone. The temperate zone is also called moderate zone. Okay, is also called మోడరేట్ జోన్. ఏ వెదర్ టూ హాట్ ఉంటుంది క్లైమేట్ వచ్చేసి. ఇన్ దిస్ టెంపరేట్ జోన్ neither too hot nor too cold. In this frigid zone the climate is too cool. Okay, these are the differences between these zones. Depends upon the temperature of the temperature means sunlight. This depends upon the sunlight receives those places. We can divide it into three parts. Those are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. This is the zones of the